Live from San Diego, this is Fox 5 News.
Shally, what you got cooking?
Let me tell you what we got cooking. I was just telling everybody I can say no to chocolate and sweets any day of the week, but you put this, come here. You put this in front of me and I will just go to town and I won't stop. World Cup fever taking over to San Diego, and to get into the spirit, we created our own little tournament. Welcome to the Potato Cup! Woo! And here to take the center stage at Spud, get it? Spud Stadium, our friend Debbie Kornberg. You're fun. Founder and CEO of Spice and Leaf. This is cute. Spud Stadium.
And we have our potato chip fans. They've all shown up today from all over, from our sour cream and onion to our barbecue to our spicy to our pickled dill, salt and vinegar. They all came to see who is going to win the epic potato cup.
Okay, so this World Cup champion that we're having with the potatoes.
Yes.
Who are the judges and what are we doing? Who's competing?
Okay, well, first of all, we have the legendary Mr. Potato Head. He is our referee today.
Okay.
Yes, let's give it up for Mr. Potato Head. And P.S., you are one of the judges.
Oh, wow.
And my friend Javon over there is going to be one of the judges.
DJ Flex.
Unfortunately, I have to recuse myself.
Okay.
I mean, I did the food cooking.
You did the
food cooking. It wouldn't be fair. It has to be impartial.
Okay, so round one.
Round one, ding.
Ding.
We have the
baked potato.
Humble baked potato,
Is that
the
here?
classic, right here in the stadium, ready to compete with some melted cheese, a little sour cream, and of course, I just need to take a moment and mention our cheerleaders. None other than Spice and Leaf Spices. Some of our fan favorites came out today.
They came out. Look at this.
Pom-poms.
Let's go, team. Okay.
I went all in on this. And competing against the humble baked potato is our, smashed potato.
Smashed potato.
Yeah, very trendy. We've got a little tzatziki dip on top. And so we're gonna take these out here.
So we're gonna try these and tell you who wins?
You guys.
But why are you standing back there? Do your judge. Come on. No, put the chips down. It's a baked potato.
That's gonna kill the palate.
Potato.
What are you doing?
Okay, I'm going in for the smashed potato.
Yeah.
I'm doing this with my hands. Here you go.
Yeah.
Smashed potato.
Smashed potato. That's one bite.
Oh, that sour cream.
Need more dip.
You need more dip.
There's some on the bottom too, so get in there. We want it to be fair. And then here I'm cutting with forks. We have our, take that, soak it in, think about the flavor profiles that are going through your mouth, and then of course the humble baked potato. So.
Oh, that's good too. I don't know, Jamal.
Mix it with the chips?
You want to bring the fans into the game. You want to go for it.
The winner of this is a smashed potato. What do you think? Say yes.
But with a chip.
No, just smashed potato. Okay, smashed potato wins.
Okay, ding ding. All right, so they're gonna rest. They just had a rough workout. The game was competitive. So now we're gonna go to round two.
Round two.
The semifinals, and we have mashed potatoes with a little Aleppo.
With Aleppo?
Aleppo pepper, just a little.
Ah, okay.
Just a little bit. And then we have our potato puff pastry.
So you gotta put it in here.
Okay, there you go.
When I dip, you dip, we dip. That's mashed potatoes. It's just butter and potatoes, okay?
And mascarpone.
Okay, and then?
And then we have our puff pastry, so here you go.
What did you do with this?
So it's mashed potatoes in the puff pastry.
You put it in it, Debbie?
Yes, because we're going for the flaky. We're gonna see if the flaky is going to beat out the creamy. I don't know. You guys are gonna tell me who the winner is.
That's good, actually.
I'm really good.
Yeah?
Really good.
Okay.
I'm really good. And with the chip.
That's good. But you know what? I'm still gonna go for the mashed potatoes. I think the mashed potato will win this round.
Okay, get in there with a little heat, a little fire.
With the heat and the potatoes, we can do it. Mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes. Okay, final round. Now it's mashed potatoes versus mashed potatoes for the championship and the gold plate. Who is going to win the gold plate? I don't know. You guys are gonna have to decide this.
Did you come up with this all on your own?
I did. I had
so
way too much fun with this.
Way too much time on your hands.
I channeled Puppy Bowl and just went to the nines with it.
With the potato. DJ Flex.
Yes.
Which one?
I gotta try them both again.
Okay, try them
All
both
right.
again.
For
So
the
let's
win.
Go in for the
Who
win.
will be crowned? What do we think?
What is it?
Creamy. They're like soaking in all the flavors, the deliciousness
are.
of the mashed potatoes
But
versus the smashed.
There's something about.
Will classic mash win or the trendy smashed?
I'm going with the smash.
Smash?
Do we have a tie?
Smash.
Mashed.
Mash.
Mashed for the win?
Yes.
Mashed potatoes!
Going to be crowned. All
Put
right.
that song on, that music. This is great.
I'm gonna take the rest of the smash and I'm done.
Okay, peace out.
Wow, he really likes it. Debbie, that was so much fun.
Okay, well, stay tuned for more.
If you want to get more on the spices and some recipes, the cheerleaders, foxeyesandiego.com, click the little scene on top. That was super fun. And I'm going to
right
keep
on.
eating all the potatoes. The potatoes are so good. We're going to take a short break. We'll be right back. This is so good.